Hi everyone, this is Lisa and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to remake or rearrange one of my old arrangements. So let's start. This is how the arrangement looked like before. And now it looked like this. So yung Graptopetalum mendozae, makapal na siya. Yung Echeveria blue cloud, parang hindi siya masyadong lumaki. Tapos, merong Darly Sunshine, may cactus. Yung cactus may hole sa gitna, parang hindi na siya magsusurvive. And then, meron ulit Graptopetalum mendozae. Tapos, yung grandparents figurine na nakapatong sa isang wood na I think yung wood is not in good condition anymore. Tapos, may Darly Sunshine din sa may likod na area. So, let's start fixing it. So, I have to uproot everything. Yung succulents na nandito, including yung cactus. So, we have to check the soil if okay pa siya. Upon checking the soil, very loose pa naman yung soil and very healthy pa. So, I will just have to remove some of the roots na naiwan. Then, I will add this. Hindi ko alam kung aloe ba to. Pero maganda yung stripe na purple and white na dun sa leaves. So, I decided to include it in the arrangement. And then, meron akong agave dito. So, tatanggalan ko lang siya ng leaves sa lower part. And then, gugupitin ko din yung ibang tinak sa dulo ng leaves. Kasi ang sakit talaga niya makatusok. Naglagay din ako ng aloe para may color green. Mabuhay yung arrangement. And then, I decided to remove one more leaves from the agave kasi parang medyo hindi na rin healthy yung leaves na yun. So, I will be using black sand as a top dressing dito sa pot na to. So, nilalagyan ko na siya ng top dressing na black sand agad kasi para hindi mahirap. Kasi pag marami nang nakalagay na Echeveria, mahirap pag nalalagyan o nasisingitan yung mga leaves nila ng sand. Mahirap tanggalin. Ayan, I'm trying to figure out kung saan ko ba ilalagay yung grandparents sa figure. So, I'm putting back now yung Darly Sunshine. So, I decided to put it beside the agave. So, lahat ng tinanggal nating succulent is ibabalik ko rin dito sa pot ng arrangement. And then, nagdagdag ako ng isang succulent. Hindi ko alam yung name kung Leticia ba to. Pero I think it's not Leticia kasi mas makapal yung leaves ng Leticia ang alam ko. So, I decided to put yung Echeveria blue cloud dito sa tabi ni Grandma. Madami namang roots yung Echeveria blue cloud. Hindi lang siya ganun talaga masyadong lumaki. Pero compact naman yung rosette niya. I'm planning also to put Haworthia. Pero wala pang roots. Galing to sa na-unbox natin before. I decided to put yung Graptopetalum mendozae sa tabi nung Darly Sunshine. And then, ibabalik ko ulit yung Haworthia sa tabi. And then, let's fill up the front part nung pot ng black sand. And then, gamitin natin yung Graptopetalum mendozae to fill up the spaces. As usual, I put a white stone. Pero hindi naman siya ganun ka-white. So, I'm planning to put a cut on top of the stone kaya nang parang masyadong mataas and then hindi siya magandang tignan. Tapos, lalagyan ko lang ng mendozae yung paligid ng stone para hindi naman siya empty tignan. And then, naglagay din ako ng Grapto Petal Mendoza sa metabi nung Succulenta Color Green. Tinanggal ko muna Echeveria Blue Cloud kasi feeling ko parang kulang yung succulent na nailagay ko. And then, sa harap ng Grapto Petal Mendoza, nilagay ko ulit yung Echeveria na Blue Cloud. So, ayan, ibinalik ko na rin yung grandparents figurine. So, fit naman siya, kasya naman sila. Naglagay lang ako ng parang balat ng tree. Yung, dito ko ipapatong yung cat para hindi siya nakadirect sa black sand. And then, I will try to put more Mendoza to fill up the spaces. And some stones para mas maganda siyang tignan. So, we're almost done with the arrangement. So, I really enjoy making arrangement. Ewan ko, basta masaya ako dito sa ginagawa ko. Pag gumagawa ko ng arrangement, tapos natapos ko siya, parang kahit hindi siya gano'n kaganda, parang ang saya-saya ko. Parang nakaka-release ng stress. Nagiging stress reliever ko yung paggawa ng succulent arrangement. So, I'm finally done. So, let's take a look at it, a closer look. Enjoy watching. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my simple arrangement today, the grandparents. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. God bless. Bye.